It's been called the Ebola hospital. Now, Texas Health Presbyterian is trying to salvage its reputation. Administrators recently hired a PR firm to help with its image. Fox 4's Calvert Collins joins us from Presbyterian to explain how nurses are trying to help sway public opinion. Calvert.
Well, the hospital remained silent during much of Thomas Eric Duncan's treatment and really made no comment during Nina Pham's diagnosis, still not explaining how the young nurse and her colleague contracted the virus. But last week, the tone changed into some apologies. Now the nurses made their statement today with no questions allowed and nor explaining why they feel safe and why they are still Presby proud.
Our hospital is safe.
They were a unified and uniformed front. Dozens of nurses walking to the podium outside their hospital.
We know we need to reaffirm the public's trust in us, but we're asking our community to stand with us today.
Today's nurse pep rally is the latest in a newly created, well-orchestrated Presby Proud PR campaign for Texas Health Resources' flagship hospital.
I have never felt unsafe here. This place is my home.
It started Thursday evening with these spots featuring Presby nurses talking up their prized hospital. Those were quickly followed up with this video of a smiling Nina Pham talking and crying with her hazmat suit-clad physician. That video was shot the day she left Presby to get treatment at the National Institutes of Health Hospital in Bethesda, Maryland. The next day, fellow nurses held a rally outside the emergency room, cheering for the facility and praying for Pham and Amber Vinson's healthy recoveries. The full press apology continued throughout the weekend when this full-page apology was published in the local Sunday papers. It makes reference to Thomas Duncan's treatment and says in part the staff did not correctly diagnose his symptoms as those of Ebola. For this, we are deeply sorry. Adding that although Ebola preparedness was underway, our training and education programs were not fully deployed before the virus struck.
The men and women of this hospital worked tirelessly to save Mr. Duncan. We are experts in our field, and we don't want to be judged by this one incident.
75 healthcare workers are still waiting to find out if they will test positive for Ebola. Even County Judge Clay Jenkins admits the virus panic may keep patients away a while longer.
Trust is a relationship that you have to work on every day. It has to be earned every day. This hospital is trying to be transparent.
Jenkins has even gone so far as to set up a temporary office inside the hospital along with Dallas Mayor Mike Rawlings to show their faith in the level of care being offered here.
You know, this has been a real gut shot to the medical community here. This could have happened anywhere in America, but it happened here in Dallas.
Now that hashtag Presby Proud has been spreading on social media. The chief nursing officer was quick to point out that it was not started by a member of the PR team, in fact, by a medical team member several weeks ago. And we noticed that something different across the street from the hospital at a local restaurant, a giant banner out front that reads, "God bless Presbyterian and its staff." Clarice?
Calvert, thank you.